In this video, we'll be attempting the 2026 JAMB CBT question for the subject Biology. Please, this is still continuation of Module 1. So we are still attempting Module 1 question. Now each module there are 5 questions for each module. So there are 5 questions for each module. Now let's read question 2. The oxidative part of the respiratory process takes place in the A. Mitochondria, B. Ribosome, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Golgi bodies. Now, before you attempt any question, ensure you understand the question. This is very, very important. Are you with me? Let me read the question again. The oxidative part of the respiratory process take place in the... Now, the key word here is oxidative part. Are you with me? The key word here is oxidative part of the respiratory process take place in the A. Mitochondria. Mitochondria. This is where energy is produced. Mitochondria. This is where energy is produced in form of ATP during aerobic respiration. Are you with me? Are you with me? So energy is being produced in mitochondria in form of ATP during aerobic respiration. Let's look at option B. Ribosome. This is responsible. Ribosome is responsible for protein synthesis. Ribosome is responsible for protein synthesis. Are you with me? Let's look at option C. Let's look at option C, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for lipid and protein synthesis. Okay? Endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for protein and lipid synthesis. Let's look at option D, Golgi bodies. This is responsible for packaging and transportation of cells. So Golgi bodies package and transport cells in the body. Are you with me? So from the question, the best option here is the oxidative part of the respiratory process takes place in the mitochondria. So that is the best option. Let's look at question 3. Examples of waterborne and sex-linked diseases are... Let me repeat the question again. Examples of waterborne and sex-linked diseases are A. Malaria, B. Typhoid, C. Schistosomiasis and cholera, D. Cholera and hemophilia. Please ensure you understand this question. So what we want to look at is waterborne waterborne and sex-linked diseases. So let's take a look at the first option, which is malaria and HIV. Now, malaria is a parasite. So it's a parasitic disease. It's caused by a vector parasite. Do you understand? So it's not a waterborne. Now HIV is an STI. HIV is an STI disease, sexually transmitted infections. Sexually transmitted infection. So this one is a vector parasite and HIV is an STI parasite. So it's not among the questions. So that means option A is not correct. Okay, let's look at option B. Let's look at option B. Okay, typhoid and syphilis. Typhoid is waterborne. Syphilis is also an STI, sexually transmitted infection. So it's not there. Schistosomiasis is a parasite and cholera is waterborne. Let's look at option D. Cholera and hemophilia. Take note that cholera is waterborne, which tick the box for the first one here, and sex-linked disease. Hemophilia is a sex-linked disease. So our correct option here is option D. And take note that we have two hemophilia. We have hemophilia A and we have hemophilia B. So the correct option for this question is option D, cholera and hemophilia. Let's look at question 4. What are the features used to identify an organism? What are the features used to identify an organism? A. Phenotype. Option A. B. Genotype. C. Morphology. D. Anatomy. E. Physiology. Now, anatomy is the study of the structure. To be precise, the internal structure of the body. Are you with me? So is the study of what? The structure of the body. Okay. Physiology is the study of the function of the body. So physiology is the study of the function of the body. Morphology is the study of the form and shape. Are you with me? Genotype is the study of the genetic makeup of an organism. Phenotype, these are the observable appearance. So let's read this question again. What are the features used to identify an organism? The correct option is option A, phenotype. Okay, let's look at question 5. Two main distinguishing features of the cervical vertebra are the presence of cervical. The correct option is, let me read the option. Short neural spine and vertebratiliar canal. B, prosygapophysis and cervical ribs. C, large centrum and cervical ribs. D, vertebratiliar canal and large centrum. Now take note that cervical is the neck region. Is the neck region. We also have the thoracic, which is the chest region. We also have the lumbar, which is the lower back. The lower back. We also have the sacral, which is located at the pelvis region. We also have the coccyx, which is located at the buttock. So now, what makes this guy here unique, which is at the neck region, is short neural spine and vertebratiliar canal. So the correct option from this question is option A. Let's look at question 6. Which of the following organism does not exist as a single cell? A, amoeba. B, Iglena. C, volvus. D, chlamydomonas. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Euglena is also a unicellular organism. Volvus is a multicellular organism. Are you with me? Chlamydomonas is a unicellular organism. So the correct option here is volvus. Now take note that volvus cannot exist as a single cell. There are many cells, a lot of cells, many cells coming together to form a single cell. So this will be the end of our first module. This will be the end of module 1. Please take note that the first module ought to be question 1 to 5. So module 2 in module 2 is going to be from question 6 to 10, just to ensure that the numbers are even from others as we forge ahead to other various modules. So if you enjoyed this video and you love us to bring more of this, ensure that you follow us, you share this video with your friends as well, and then don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that as soon as we drop another new videos, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thanks for watching.